Well, we forgot to do an intro, so I gotta talk you through this. This is our ride in Georgia. It's called Bragg, Bike Ride Across Georgia, but this is just the spring tune-up. And we had some inclement weather, so we didn't get to do a lot of riding.
Well, so far no rain, the road's wet. We had one super hill, but this is our first rest stop. If you wanted to turn around here, you'd only have 11 point some miles. We're going to the next rest stop, and then we turn around and go back exactly the way we came. Ride, Kathy.
It's good. So far.
So far, no rain.
So far, no rain. But it doesn't rain.
I don't feel bad. A little chilly. Every time you stop, you get hot, but when you take off, it cool off. No sun. So, next rest area is, I'm gonna guess, about 6 miles away, and that's our turnaround spot if we're doing 27. Well, Miss Kathy, how's things?
Things are okay now, but you never know.
Got some snacks. It hasn't rained on us so far. It's been a good ride. A little chilly in places, a little hot in places, but we're at 14 miles or something like that. I got 14.6, so about 28 miles time we get back. Why are we stopping? It's pouring. We're going to put our raincoats on. The last, 8 miles has been in the rain. Pretty horses over there. I don't know if you can see them. And we're almost done with our ride today, but it has been a wet one. Our socks are soaked. So these are the rides you remember, the hard ones. Here's all the tent campers. We got done with our ride. It was how many miles, Kathy?
28.
Nice hair, Kathy.
Don't be recording me.
28 miles in the last 8. Like I said on the road, it was a, look at this mud. And the way out of here is even worse. Morning 2. Kathy's drinking her V8 to get her morning started. It's still a mud hole, but nice blue skies this morning. A lot more people here today.
No socks for me.
No socks for Kathy. Tell them what's going on.
We're gonna start.
What day is it? And how far are we going?
We hold 42.
There's all the people. We're not going to go up there. We're just going to wait until everybody starts clearing out. Kathy just waiting to get her ride on. With a bunch of our close friends behind us. It's a little after 10:30. We've done 21 miles. We're in Rutledge, Georgia. It was established in 1871. But we're just taking a break. We're about halfway done with our ride today. We've got 42 total to do. How was that experience?
Well, it was a porta potty. You know, I love me some porta potty.
I'd say there's going to be a hill past this bridge down here. Well, we got done with our ride. we're both glad it wasn't. We had to continue riding to get 40 in today, but we're not trained up. So 40 was a big chunk to chew today, but it was a beautiful day. There were times it got hot and muggy. There was other times it was cool, but overall it was a good ride. So Kathy, what did you think of the ride?
It was good.
That's
I
it?
lost a couple of times. The markings I didn't think was that great. But,
Yeah, that's what I told him. I said it was confusing at times.
or we just, you know, we get
Or
lost.
we're confused.
We get lost in trails, so got a little lost. But I mean, we're on the right road. But
And 40 miles was plenty today.
yes, we did 40.
Yeah.